YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we're back with some quick fix videos on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Platinum Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. Today we actually have the gray cleaner. We are going to dive in and start doing some fixes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, we're going to do some quick fix videos for Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Platinum suction pressure side pool cleaner, excuse me. Today we're going to actually show you guys how to remove and open up your debris bag. So really simple, as you guys can see here on the sides, it does have these little snap posts that are actually going to hold the bag in place. So as you can tell, I can't lift it. It's really simple, it's just a quarter turn. So to get this off, you're just a quarter turn till it releases, and then it just slides right up. Once you get the bag off, you'll notice that you do have this little rubber piece here. This is crucial for your equipment, so make sure that if this is ripped or broken by any means, that you guys do replace this because it is important. But for the bag itself, pretty straightforward. It does have an installed piece of foam here on one part that's actually sewn into the bag. This just helps give it some float. As you can see on this side, it has a Velcro piece that will actually go around the hose, so that as the hose comes around by the bag on the cleaner, it helps it just keep the bag up so that the debris doesn't just instantly fall back down. So with the gray cleaner we have today, we actually have the Velcro seal, so really easy to clean. You're just going to grab it by the tab here, grab the other side, open it up. Again, make sure that this is away from the pool so you don't put all your debris right back into the pool. You're gonna turn it upside down, shake it out, clean this bag out, take it over to your hose, rinse it out, make sure you get all that fine debris and grit out of it. And go ahead and reseal up the Velcro, and then when you make it back to your cleaner, it's just as simple as it was when you take it off. You're just gonna slide it down and twist it so that you get that little part just underneath that tab, so then once again, as you can tell, when I try to lift up on it, the bag won't come off. So that way it'll hold on to the pressure when the system's running. Really simple. Make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We got a ton more quick fix videos out for this Platinum. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below. We got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.